Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be showing you that how to record the browser screen and how to save this inside a video file inside Node.js and Puppeteer. So Puppeteer is a web scraping library of Node.js. So if you just type here Puppeteer, you will be redirected to this npm package. So we will be using this package to record the browser screen and save it inside a video file. So you can see it's a very popular package. Almost 3 million weekly downloads are there. So you can also take the screenshot with the help of this module. You can convert it to a PDF file. You can also convert, you can see, to the PDF file. In this video, I will be showing you that how to convert this to a MP4 file. You can take the screenshot. Let me show you the demo here. So this is a video file. If I play it, you will see that like this. It will take the video in the, it will convert the browser into a video and it will save it inside your root directory. If I play this video, so it will simply search this term here on Google and then it has recorded this stuff and it has converted this to a video. So basically you can do this, you can go to any website here. Let's suppose after doing this, let's suppose I want to go to facebook.com. I can add a snippet of code here, which is page, and I need to go to, let's suppose, facebook.com. So I will go to facebook.com, and then if I once again run the script here, it will once again capture everything here. You will see that it will go to Google and then it will go to this and automatically closes out, and it has saved all this stuff inside a video file. So if I play this video file, and after that we'll go to this. So right here, this is the part here that you are seeing here. So I will be showing you that how to convert this to a video file, how to record your browser screen. So for this tutorial guys, we will be using a library which is Puppeteer, and this is a screen recorder. This is kind of a package, or you can say it's a plugin. So if you just write here Puppeteer screen recorder, this is a package we are using to uh, record the screen here, record the browser screen and convert this to a video file. So this is the module that we are using here. Simply it uses this library called as FFMPEG. So you need to be having this library installed inside your computer so that it can output to a video file. So simply download this library and according to your operating system, simply select Windows and try to do this. I have already installed it. After installation, simply go to command line and type the command ffmpeg. So if the command is successful, then obviously you have successfully installed this ffmpeg library. Now after this, what you need to do is that let me restart the project and let me go to my projects directory and start it from scratch. So I will make a new directory here. So make a new directory, ffmpeg puppeteer. So I will cd into this folder, and first of all I will open this inside Visual Studio Code text editor. So you can see currently this folder is empty. Now we need to instantiate the Node.js project. So npm init -y. So this will create the package.json file. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel as well. And let me just copy paste it here. So click on connect. So your comments will be there right here. So after doing this, we will simply install this module here. So right here inside this npm I Puppeteer screen recorder. So we will install this module here. So one people have joined the stream, guys. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. In this video, we are converting a screen recording to a video file inside Node.js using Puppeteer screen recorder library. So it is now successfully installed it. So if I see here, you will see that it has installed it inside package.json Puppeteer screen recorder. So now we simply need to make the index.js file. And the very first thing you need to do is that you need to instantiate the Puppeteer library. So you do need to require Puppeteer. So I will call this as Puppeteer. So for this you need to require it Puppeteer. And after this you need to instantiate. Two people are watching the stream, guys, so please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel as well. So from this library we need to require this, which is Puppeteer screen recorder. So from this we will instantiate Puppeteer screen recorder. So after this, guys, three people are watching the stream, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So here, guys, we will make a async function. So this will be a async function. So here we will first of all go to any URL of the internet. Let's suppose if I go to google.com. So for this, first of all, we need to instantiate Puppeteer. So instantiating Puppeteer, it is very easy. We need to declare a browser variable, and inside this we will use the await keyword because this is the async function, and here we will launch Puppeteer dot launch, and here we will simply pass the headless to false because we need to see the browser opening these URLs. You can just pass this to true if you don't want to. The default value is true, but I will change this to false. So after doing this, guys, now we need to simply open the page in the browser. So simply we will say here, we will await browser new page. So basically this will open a new page, and now we need to record this into a video file. So we will simply say record this to a video file. So for recording the purposes, we will start the recorder and we will make a new variable here, recorder. Let me format the document. So it is saying const recorder, and then we will instantiate Puppeteer screen recorder, and here we will pass the page. So whatever you need to record it. So basically we are need to record the browser. So we are just passing the actual page here, the full page. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to await browser dot. So we will start the recording. So after doing this, we will say await recorder dot start. So there is a start method inside this start. So here you can call your video file name anything. I will call this as output.mp4. This can also support webpm, all these files, but I will store it as mp4 for now. And now we need to just go to any URL we can go to. So we can say page go to method is there. So I will go to google.com. So basically this browser will go to google.com, and after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to stop the recorder as well. So we need to stop the recording after this. So we will simply say recorder dot stop. So this will stop the recording, and also we need to close the browser. So for closing the browser, we will simply say browser dot close. So this will actually close the browser for us automatically. So now the script is ready. Let me just launch it and keep watching the left hand side. It will just create the file called as output.mp4. So if I run this file here, node index.js, so it is saying that require is not a function. Let me see why it is saying that require is not a function. Oh, sorry, I have made a mistake here, guys. You can see that. Let me rectify the mistake. And once again, if I, it is saying that unexpected token. I think this needs to be, so now it is good here. You can see that if I format the document, now it is looking good. So once again, if I launch this application, hopefully this time this will work. So it hasn't executed it. So I think we need to do this like this, async. So yes, this is now a async function here. You can see that we have surrounded it by parentheses. So now this will execute it. I think, oh, sorry, we also need to call this. So right here, we need to call this function anonymously like this. So just put it this one. And now if you do this, now this will open the browser. It will go to google.com and it will close it automatically. And in the left hand side, you will see output.mp4 file is created. And if I open this file here, you will see that it will capture all the details that we have done here. So if I open this file, you will see it. This is a video file here, which is there. So you can go to, you can capture everything that the browser done. You can go to another page here. Let's suppose await page, go to. So I need to go to the next page, which is facebook.com. So you can go to any pages of your choice and record it inside a video. So this is very much useful in many applications what you do. So once again, if I launch this, first of all, it will go to Google, then it will go to Facebook. So it will record everything inside a video file. So if I play it, you will see Google, then Facebook. Apart from that, you can also play a YouTube video as well. So let's suppose you want to play a YouTube video. So let's suppose you are watching a YouTube video. Uh, some comments are there. So first of all, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. Very cool. Please, how do I open Puppeteer in an Electron window? Thanks. So Electron is a desktop framework, so I definitely will make a video about it. So whenever at the end of this live stream, I will definitely look to integrate Puppeteer inside Electron. So first of all, guys, we will do this application. First of all, now you can take example of any video. Let's suppose due to copyright purpose, I will take my own video. So basically I will, on my channel, let me take any video, for example, which are there on my channel. So let me take a popular video here. So if you see, let me take this video here. If I copy link address and if I go to my video here, I will say await page, go to, and I will paste the link here of the video. So the video will play and for I will wait here. So in Puppeteer, you can actually wait also. So I will say Puppeteer wait. So how to wait in Puppeteer? It is very simple, I think. If you must be use Puppeteer, the built-in function is there. It will wait for 4 seconds. So you will see wait for 4 seconds. So paste this line. So await page, wait for timeout. So I can increase this value. 4000 means here 4 seconds. So wait for 4 seconds. So once again, if you launch this, you will see that it will open this video for me. This is my video here. You will see that it will wait for 4 seconds and automatically it will close the window. You will see that. So if I open the output file, you will see it will go to my video here. You can see it will wait for 4 seconds and it will close. And now the problem is we need to play this video. So now to play this video, it is very simple. We need to target, let me search it on Google, Puppeteer uh, how to play YouTube video. So it will be having, so there will be answers available here. So then here we will, so let me search for a option where you need to, how to open video. So wait for selector. Yeah, this is the selector here. You will see that this is a selector that we need to click it. If I simply paste this code here, so at the end of this video, guys, I will copy paste all the source code in the video description. I will return a complete blog post. So don't worry about the source code. And I will paste this code here. So basically it will look for this selector and it will click this. So let me now see if it is doing the job. So if I launch this application node index.js, so if you go, it will go to the URL and it will make it.
Hello, welcome to the postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning offered by the
So,
University of Texas at Austin in collaboration with Great Learning. My name
so it has made it into a full screen. You will see that it has clicked the full screen window. So the problem, let me once again run this. I think the play button is not clicked. If you see here,
Hello, welcome to the postgraduate program in Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning offered by the University of Texas at Austin in collaboration with Great Learning.
once again, it is not clicking the play buttons. Let me see. Puppeteer, click YouTube play button. YouTube play button. So it is not clicking the button here. So why will not click on the video? So I think this is the full example that they have shown. So if you have any side of question, guys, you can use it. I like using network. So I just need to click on that, how to click the play button. So this is the problem. So you can also record the audio as well inside this video if you want to. Simply you will have this option here, which is page evaluate audio, audio.play. So if you do this, let's suppose, so it is saying that, let me paste it here. So this library is very awesome. You can record your own actions inside the browser into a form of video. So I think it cannot find this. So I've shown you the code here, guys. You can see instead of playing a video, I don't think so you can play the video. I have searched it inside Automat how to autoplay video. So I think you need to pass this argument here. So you need to pass it inside whenever you launch the Puppeteer library right here. So as a second argument, you will pass it as autoplay policy. no user gesture applied. So if you do this now, hopefully the video will play.
We're all surrounded by data science and machine learning algorithms. In fact, we are getting this ad for Scalar's data science and machine learning program because of such algorithms.
Every time the ad is playing right now, so that is why it does problem.
One, two, three, go! Faster, faster! Happy Friday! My name is Dr.
Hello guys, my name is Gautam and in this video I will be telling you guys about what.
So now it has played the video as well. Let me see if the video has been captured. So in this way guys, you can also record the video as well inside the browser. So you can just play with these options, and I will be giving all the source code in the video description. And you can also, let's suppose you want to go to Google and type a query here. So basically you can do this like this. Simply you can inspect the element, and you can just target the selector here, which is right here, which is copy selector. So if you go to google.com, and now you need to write something inside your input field. So what you will do is that you will wait for this selector, which is this one. So basically you will wait for this selector, which is the input field. So this is a selector here. We have just copy pasted the selector. I have shown you how to do this. And now if you need to write something inside this, you can do it. You can make your own bot like this, which searches on Google. So you can search it for anything. Let's suppose I search coding Shiksha here. And after that, what we need to do is that we need to press the enter key. So now to press the enter key, it is very simple. You will say await page keyboard and press the enter key. So this will press the enter key for us automatically. So if I launch this application, you will see that it will go to Google. It will type this query if you click enter. So it will record all the actions inside a video. So if I show you this, it is captured here. So you can see that. So in this way guys, you can type anything here. You can repeat this process. Let's suppose once again you repeat this process one more time, and you can try out with a different query. Let's suppose I provide here programming tutorials. So now this will be a simple bot which will, so it is saying that just make sure that you don't put this. So now this will perform two operations. First this one, it will wait for 4 seconds, then it will perform the second one like this. So in this way guys, you can record your browser inside a video file. I have shown you step by step. So I will give this source code in the video description. So I will write a complete blog post. So I will give the link in the video description of this live stream. So let me just write this blog post. So I will give the link in the video description of this live stream. So let me just write this blog post. So I will give the link in the video description of this live stream. So let me just write this blog post. So I will give the link in the video description of this live stream. So let me just write this blog post. So I will give the link in the video description of this live stream. So let me just write this blog post. So for this, you just need to install this Puppeteer screen recorder library. After installing it, you just need to create an index.js file and copy paste this code here. Simply paste it. Sorry, let me paste this code here. So after the live stream is over, you can safely go to this blog post and copy paste all the source code and play with these options. So the category will be JavaScript. So let me publish it. So after publishing it, I will be giving the link in the video description. So here is your link here. So let me click save. So now if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, we have made an application where we have captured all the things that you do in the browser in the form of a video. We have saved it as an MP4 file. So we have done that using Puppeteer and FFmpeg. So thanks very much for watching this stream.